here, Natural Transplants at the DC office. Today we are lucky enough to have Brian with us, coming in from Pennsylvania.
Correct.
All right, excellent. Long drive this morning. You'll probably be sleeping at some point today, but
yeah,
welcome here. Thank you for sharing your story with everybody. If you wouldn't mind kind of sharing, what brings you in today, what you've done thus far, how you found us, that sort of thing.
So I've had some procedures done before,
right.
An FUT and an FUE.
Yep.
Been wanting to get a little bit more work done and was trying to do some research. I knew I couldn't do too many more, and I wanted to find the best practice, and that's how I found you guys online.
Awesome. Well, appreciate it, man.
Watched a lot of your videos.
Honored to be part of your journey with us. And the previous ones were more limited, a little bit here, a little bit there.
Yes.
You've had one FUT and a couple FUEs.
Yes.
And so he actually came in and saw me previously. I was unsure if we could even do another one because you always got to look at the donor site. But surprisingly, you have enough elasticity. I was surprised that we can do another one. So I'm excited. It like I said, it was a little bit here, a little bit there of the other ones. Decent results, but it just wants a little bit more pop to it, a little bit more thickness. We're still kind of figuring out our priority zones. I'm gonna have Zal kind of zoom in a little bit, but you can see if I move back the hair a little bit, he does a good job covering it up. But when you pull back the hair, it is a little thinner, especially the first two fingers. So that's going to be priority 1. We're still kind of debating what our priority 2 and priority 3 are going to be. Brian, you mind just putting your head down a little bit? There you go. And obviously the crown, I'm going to spin you around a little bit and look up for me. And then the crown, is on the thinner side as well too. So we're going to draw it all out, set our priority 1, priority 2, priority 3, and then we'll come back and check in on you. Sound good?
Sounds good.
Awesome. All right, we are back with Brian. As you can see, we have drawn out the line. He chose to shave his head. You do not have to do that. It's not a requirement. We do require that you shave the recipient area. So wherever the grafts are going to be placed, we do have to shave that. In a lot of instances, it just looks better if you shave the whole thing. So that's what we chose to do today. It just was not a good look without doing it, but you do not have to. So in case-by-case basis. But I'm going to have you lower your head again for me. So number 1 is sort of the first 2 fingers all the way on the hairline. Priority 2 is going to be this little tiny kind of oval right here. This was a part that was a little thin and it bothered him. He sweeps his hair from his left to his right. So we're going to fill this area in and use that as a filler. And then we're going to start kind of at the back edge here where we got real thin and work our way back as far as we can go. He's less concerned with the crown. And so we're just going to do, get as much as we can. Obviously, he's had the previous procedures, which is going to eat away at some of the hair that we're going to be able to obtain, but we'll get as much as we can and go for as far back as we can go. Okay. You ready? We got a couple Valium on board.
Sounds good.
Ready to hit the next door, and we'll check on you later, okay?
Okay.
Awesome. This is the fun part. All right, we are back with Brian. We have made it through the day. Brian, congratulations, man.
Thank you.
Tell us how the day went for you.
The day went very well. Everybody here was very nice, very professional. I've had an FUT before, and I got to say this was a much better experience.
Oh, nice.
Pain level was very minimum, and the numbing part actually wasn't bad compared to the last one. So I was very happy with everything. Awesome team.
You did fantastic. Like we talked about, you have a pretty high pain tolerance, and you were a rock star today. Listen to some good music, watch a little movie, took a little nap. And I'm just going to zoom in. We covered more than I thought we would. I know we talked about it, but we got the hairline here, and then I'm going to spin you around. The density was compromised, as we always know, by the FUEs. It was a little more than I thought it was going to be, so I was a little bit worried about how much we were going to get, but we actually covered a bigger distance than I thought we would. There's still a little bit left in the crown that we couldn't get to, which was as expected, but I'm actually happy and surprised how far back we got. So I love it, man. Looks great. We'll follow up with you tomorrow. I'll call you. Casey will also call you tomorrow. We'll follow you up, throughout the year. Any words of advice to anybody out there thinking about it? I know you've done this a couple times now, but somebody's thinking about maybe for the first time, they're doing the research. What would you recommend to them?
Definitely recommend this office. You guys did a great job.
And I was not leading you. I was just in general. You didn't have to say us. But
No, after going through 2 different offices in the past, I wish I could find you guys sooner.
Yeah, awesome. Well, Brian, appreciate it, man. Thank you for doing this.
Thank you.
Hope someone, this helps somebody out there. We'll follow you along throughout the year. And welcome to the family, man. Appreciate it. All right, take care.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.